Alright, for the first stress test, we're seeing how water resistant this PS5 is.
It's water resistant.
Alright, let's see if it works. So we set up a series of extreme stress tests to see just how much the PS5 can take. From taking it polar plunging,
My brain's slowing down, my breath's slowing down, my toes are going numb.
to throwing it out of a moving airplane. And if this thing doesn't live up to the hype, we're gonna have to return it to GameStop.
And this is how we were giving it.
You're probably wondering why the hell would I do something like this? Honestly, I have no idea. I just thought it'd be funny. Kinda like this mustache that I'm really regretting. So this video is actually from the old channel, rest in peace Jessup11, and was filmed 2.5 years ago when the PS5 was nearly impossible to get. And when I say impossible to get, I mean every retailer was completely sold out. Not to mention all the scams on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody tried to sell us an image of a PlayStation 5. If you didn't look closely into details, this is what you'd receive in the mail. The only way I was able to get one of these things was spending $950 to some random dude flipping them. No way. Let's go. We got one. It's crazy, it's a bit underwhelming, and I thought that maybe it'd make coffee or do my laundry as exclusive as this item is. And since we're one of the very few people to have one of these, I thought it's like my responsibility to tell you if this is worth purchasing. And the only way for us to do that is to put it under some rigorous real-life scenarios. The first test is a waterproof. You nervous?
I feel like Wim Hof. I've done all the training Wim Hof's done. I'm so ready.
I don't understand why you had to bring your PS5 hiking.
Well, it's new and I love it and I want it to come everywhere with me. There's nothing I'd do without it.
Careful, dude.
I'm really pissed off that you're ruining that.
I'm pissed off too.
This is probably not safe to be standing on.
No,
Absolutely not.
absolutely not. It's so cold looking.
I know.
Looks deep enough too.
So we're getting there with the
Why
PS5.
can't I join?
You want to?
Yeah.
Do you really actually?
Yeah.
I don't believe you
I
would.
do.
Find a good submersive place to be.
Don't look so excited.
Can't wait. Brought to you by Ben. My newest sponsor.
Bro, my toes are already frozen.
Let's do this.
Dude, are you serious? What? I can't believe it's working. Are you serious? Oh my god.
I swear to God, there's no way. It works. Everything works.
So far, the PS5 is living up to the hype. Let's see what else we can use it for. Maybe like hockey.
Stress test number 2.
Living the game.
This is Hunter. Puck versus PS5.
Wow, that's pretty tough.
Just laying it up there.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah.
Bro, I can't believe it works. Oh my.
Bro, it still works. Seems like this thing is indestructible. Let's see if it can stop bullets. No freaking way. Dude, this is unbelievable. Dude, are you serious? Still. We're about to do the final stress test. I cannot believe the PS5 has made it this far. We have got an airplane and they're gonna throw the PS5 out of the plane right onto this road right over here. Let's see if it can still hold up.
I will not be getting hurt at work. I promise. I'm wearing a helmet.
We're waiting for the plane.
Yep.
There's one person south and then me north, so if you could try to go in between us, that would be ideal.
2 people north. Is he doing it on this flyby?
Here we go! This video was directed by Michael Bay. If you ask me, I don't think it's worth the money or the hype. If I can't take it skydiving, I don't know why I'd want one. We're gonna go see if GameStop will take it back or at least help us fix it.
We got a PS5 for Christmas, but it's not going the way we wanted it to go. Can I show you what it looks like? It's just like different. Like I feel like it's not even the same like console. Sure. Yeah. So we know it's not supposed to look like this, and this is how we were given it. So.
Where did you get it?
Oh. Like we knew it was getting redesigned, but that looks way off to me. Like it's not even, you know?
It's like I got ran over by a tractor.
Exactly. So you can't fix it.
No.
That's what the other store said. Well, I guess we'll keep trying.
Well, we clearly pushed the limits of the PS5, and GameStop wanted nothing to do with it. What in the heck is Creasy doing out there? What are you doing?
Saying my goodbyes.
Dude, it's just a PS5, and it clearly wasn't what everybody thought it was.
I don't know. I started to get really fond of it. You're from Walmart, you say?
I'm sorry. Make sure to subscribe.